Good morning my YouTube family. Today I am making a special big breakfast right here at home. Why spend $25 at a cafe when you can make it yourself with simple ingredients? I'm going to show you how to cook a proper big breaky cafe style in your own kitchen. So grab your coffee and let's start cooking. Let's start with the mushrooms. I have got some butter melting in the pan, already smelling incredible. Now I am adding fresh garlic, giving it a quick saute until it's golden and fragrant. Now I'm going to add some mushroom. Just toss them around the pan so they coat nicely in that butter and garlic. Now I will season them with salt, pepper and some Italian mixed herbs. Keep tossing so everything cooks evenly on a low flame. To finish them off, I am adding some freshly chopped parsley and just a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten the flavor. These mushrooms are soft, juicy and full of aroma. Into a bowl they go. Try not to eat them all right now. Now I am working with two pans at once. A little olive oil in each. In the first pan goes the chorizo. Just listen to that sizzle. We'll fry this until it gets a nice crispy edge. No extra seasoning needed because chorizo is already packed with flavor. In the other pan, I am cooking the kale. Just a quick saute with salt and pepper on a low flame to keep it fresh and bright green. You don't want it soggy. At this point, the whole kitchen smells amazing. Crispy chorizo on one side, healthy greens on the other. Breakfast goes right here. While the chorizo and kale finish cooking, I have got 2 slices of bread ready to toast. Now for the star of the plate, fried eggs. A little olive oil in the pan, crack in 2 eggs and season with salt and pepper. We are going for sunny side up with that soft golden yolk. Everything is ready, the mushrooms, the chorizo and the kale. Let's plate it up. Starting with a slice of a toast, then the 2 fried eggs, a good helping of a kale, the buttery mushrooms, the crispy chorizo, and finally a golden hash brown on the top. Look at that plate. Cafe quality right at home. It looks amazing, it smells incredible and I can't wait to dig in. And that's our big breaky done and dusted, cafe style, but made right at home. If you like this video, smash that like button, share it with your friends and do not forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a recipe. And hey, tell me in the comments what should I cook next. Your ideas might be the star of the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me and I'll see you in next time.